presentation is going to help you navigate your selection process for the 8th grade Connections courses. Almost all of our Connections courses are going to be high school credit. So what's a credit? Students must earn 23 units as a minimum of the state requirement for graduation. They come in 0.5, which would be a semester course, and 1, which would be a year-long course. As you can see, students have to have a variety of different courses in order to graduate. So this is just a visual of what it might look like. So a semester is going to be a 0.5, so that would either be a fall or a spring, and a year-long course would cover both semesters, fall and spring. So some things to note about high school credit-bearing courses in the middle school. So again, you need 23 units in order to graduate. Why do we offer them at the middle school? There's a variety of reasons, anywhere from continuous achievement to buffer for possible transition issues. They also help to open up your schedule, and they can save families money instead of taking those courses over the summer. Can you opt in or out of the credit? So yes, at the end of the year, you can decide to accept the credit or not accept the credit. And the impact on Hope is that these grades count towards GPA, but not Hope scholarships.
WebBridge is offering the following Connections courses. All of these courses are semester length, and so you would receive a 0.5 credit. We have American Government and Civics, Food, Nutrition, and Wellness, General PE, Intro to Rec Games, Intro to Lifetime Sports, Intro to Team Sports, Peer Leadership, Personal Fitness, and Visual Comp 1. This is also known as Intro to Art. We're also offering the following year-long courses, which would also give you 1 credit. We have American Sign Language, Audio, Video, Technology and Film, Healthcare Science, Intro to Graphic Design and Writer's Workshop. This is also known as Yearbook. Intro to Software and Technology, Performing Arts, so this could be band, chorus, or orchestra, and Visual Comp, also known as Introduction to Art. If you take 1 and 2, this would give you 1 credit.
We also have 2 courses that are not high school credit bearing, but are also semester length. That would be Library Research Skills and Connected Spanish. So what might the schedule look like? For 8th grade, your Connections periods are 6th and 7th period. So you may have 4 0.5 or semester long classes. 3 of those might be randomly selected, and 1 of those would be one of your top 4 choices. If you are taking band, course, or orchestra, you would have your band, course, or orchestra for a year long. Again, you're receiving 1 high school credit for that. And then you might have 2 semester long classes, and that could be one of your top 4 choices and another randomly selected. Another possible option is that one of your top 4 choices is a year-long class. So you would have that both fall and spring semester, and then you would have 2 randomly selected semester length courses. If you are in band, course, orchestra, you have the possibility of having band, course, and orchestra year-long, and then also one of your top 4 choices year-long. So please note that these are just examples. There is a large variety of what student schedules will look like. So what are the next steps? You are going to explore our Connections courses. Each course and teacher has made a video that describes their course and who would be the best fit for their course. You can find these at bit.ly/web8connections. When you visit that website, you're going to see the list of all of our Connections choices. When you click on an option, it'll pull up a video about that Connections course. Would go through all of the ones that you're interested in and see which of these are you most interested in. It'd be a great idea to also do this with your parents, which is why we've added a new part this year. You're going to complete a form that's the top 4 choices form. This form is going to be due February the 21st. So on the front, it's going to tell you what's a credit as a reminder, how many do you need in order to graduate, and then a list of all the courses that we offered. You will notice that it tells you if it is a 0.5 or a year-long or a 1 credit course. On the back of this form, you're going to write your student name, your student number, And you're going to go through these and you're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so go and find your first choice, your second choice, your third, and your fourth. You're going to sign this as well as your parent. You need to make sure that you understand that your selection is not a guarantee. We are going to do our very best to ensure that you get at least one of your choices. But again, this is not a guarantee. After you've completed this form with your parents, you're going to return it to your Compass teacher on February the 21st. So, a reminder here is the schedule, the timeline of Connection sign up. On February the 16th, you're going to explore your 8th grade Connections courses in Compass. You're going to go click the link, you're going to view all of those videos, and you're going to kind of see what are your top 4 that you are most interested in. February the 16th through the 20th, you're going to bring home your form and you're going to discuss the options with your parents. You're going to complete that form and make sure that you and your parents sign it. February the 21st, you're going to return that form to your Compass teacher. February the 22nd through the 23rd, you will sign up for your top 4 choices using a digital form. Your Compass teacher is going to give you back your form that you signed with your parents so that you can remember exactly what you selected. Remember, selections are not guaranteed. We will make every effort to ensure that you get at least one of your top choices, but we cannot guarantee this. If you have any questions about this process or a course, don't hesitate to reach out to us at bit.ly/8thconnectionsquestions.